Hello Tech World and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into my 2025 everyday tech carry. It's been a while since my last EDC video, so thought it would be great to start the year by sharing what tech I'm going into this year with. A lot has changed from the tech I use daily to the accessories that keep me productive and entertained on the go. Whether it's my main computer, trusty backpack, or the latest gadgets I just can't live without, I'll be sharing it all with you today. So if you're new to the channel, here we cover everything tech and gaming, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll never miss out on the latest content. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my 2025 everyday tech carry and see what's powering my life this year. Let's kick things off with my everyday backpack, which is the classic leather slim backpack by Samonsite, which is crafted in this beautiful brown leather. In my opinion, this backpack from Samonsite boasts an incredible, sleek, and timeless design. It's the perfect combination of style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for the modern professional. The slim profile ensures a comfortable fit while still offering ample storage and organization. The spacious main compartment provides room for your essentials, while additional front panel pockets keep smaller items neatly organized. Featuring an air mesh back and padded straps, this backpack delivers superior comfort even on the busiest days. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading to a meeting, the classic leather slim backpack by Samonsite ensures you're always prepared and looking sharp. It's truly become my favorite backpack for staying organized and stylish while on the go. If you're interested in this backpack, make sure to check the description below where I've included links to everything I mentioned in the video. Now that we've seen the bag, let's dive inside to explore what I carry on a daily basis. In the laptop compartment, you'll find my 14-inch M3 Pro Macbook Pro. I opted for the base model, which comes with 18GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and it has been an absolute powerhouse since I picked it up. This laptop handles my entire workflow seamlessly, whether I'm writing scripts, browsing the web, editing photos and videos, or simply enjoying content. It hasn't skipped a beat, no matter the task. What I love most about this MacBook Pro is its portability. The 14-inch size strikes the perfect balance between functionality and convenience. I previously owned a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and while I appreciated the larger display, the weight made it less practical for everyday use. Switching to the 14-inch model was the right choice for me. It's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for trips to the coffee shop, library, or even longer travels. It's the perfect companion for staying productive on the go without worrying about unnecessary strain or backaches. The next device that goes with me everywhere is my Xiaomi Pad 6 tablet, which has been my go-to tablet for quite some time now. In the past, I used my M2 12.9-inch iPad Pro with the ESR keyboard case as my daily computer. While it was powerful and versatile, I found it cumbersome to carry around. That's when I decided to switch back to my Xiaomi Pad 6, and it's been a fantastic choice. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features an 11-inch display, a 144Hz refresh rate, and a Snapdragon 870 processor. While it's not the most powerful tablet on the market, it's perfect for my needs, especially for gaming and content consumption. I'm not looking for a laptop replacement anymore, so this tablet is an excellent fit for my use case. This tablet boasts a stunning IPS LCD display that delivers vibrant and crisp visuals, and the quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support ensures an immersive audio experience. While it's not without its flaws, particularly when it comes to OS updates, but it still offers tremendous value and usability. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out my one-year review of the Xiaomi Pad 6, where I dive deeper into its strengths and weaknesses. You'll find the link to that video in the description below. Next, we have my notebook, a recent addition to my daily carry and something that has quickly become an essential part of my workflow. I use it to jot down notes, brainstorm ideas, and create detailed shots lists for the videos I'm working on. As someone who has typically relied on digital tools like my computer or phone for notes and scripts, I decided to try something new, and it's been going great. Writing things out by hand has proven to be not only more effective for organizing my thoughts, but also incredibly productive. There's something satisfying about physically putting pen to paper. It's helped me stay focused and creative in a way that digital devices sometimes just can't match. Now, let's move on to the accessories I keep in my tech bag. First up is my Sandisk Extreme Portable 2TB USB-C NVMe SSD. While I absolutely love my M3 Pro MacBook Pro, the internal storage of 512GB is simply not enough for my needs as a content creator. Rather than paying a premium to Apple for a storage upgrade, I opted for an external SSD as a more cost-effective solution. The Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD has become one of my most essential accessories. It holds all my thumbnails, clips, and important files, making it indispensable for my workflow. Without it, producing videos on the go would be nearly impossible. What makes this SSD stand out is its exceptional price to performance ratio combined with impressive portability and fast read and write speeds. If you're in need of additional storage, I highly recommend investing in an external SSD like this one instead of upgrading your laptop's internal storage. It's a smarter, more budget-friendly choice for most users. My next device that I always bring with me when traveling is my Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse. This ergonomic powerhouse has become my go-to tool for editing, and it's easy to see why. Its precision and customizable features make my editing workflow much smoother and more efficient whether I'm working on photos, videos, or other creative projects. What truly sets this mouse apart is its exceptional comfort and functionality. The MX Master 3S design fits perfectly in my hand, allowing me to work for hours without any discomfort. The ability to customize buttons and seamlessly switch between devices adds another layer of versatility that I haven't found in any other mouse. Trust me when I say the Logitech MX Master 3S is worth every cent. It's not just a mouse, it's an investment in productivity and comfort that you won't regret in the long run. The next accessory in my bag is absolutely important, especially since I carry so many tech devices with me on the go. A portable charger is a must-have, and my go-to choice is the Anker PowerBank. With an impressive 140 watt output, it's powerful enough to charge my laptop, tablet, phone, and other devices with ease. What truly sets this power bank apart is its massive 24,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, allowing me to charge multiple devices without having to worry about running out of power. Whether I'm traveling, working remotely, or simply out for the day, having this level of reliable power on hand gives me peace of mind and keeps me productive. This power bank has become such a crucial part of my setup that I never leave home without it. If you're someone who relies heavily on multiple devices, trust me, this is an accessory you won't want to overlook. Now, although I love my Anker power bank, it's not the only portable charger I carry in my bag. I also bring along a mini portable charger. While it doesn't offer the same power capacity as the Anker, what I love most about this charger is its lightweight, compact design, making it incredibly easy to carry around without adding extra bulk. I primarily use this charger for my iPhone, which plays a huge role in my daily workflow. Since I shoot a lot of videos and take a ton of photos with my phone, having a dedicated power source ensures I never run out of battery at crucial moments. Whether I'm capturing content on the go or simply need a quick top-up, this mini charger has proven to be a lifesaver. It's a perfect backup solution for those times when I don't need the full power of my Anker power bank but still want to stay connected and productive throughout the day. Next up is the HyperDrive Next 10-port USB-C hub, an essential accessory that I always carry to expand my connectivity options on the go. This hub is perfect for my workflow, providing a variety of additional ports, including an HDMI port, extra USB-C ports, an Ethernet port, and more, all of which greatly enhance my productivity. In my opinion, you can never have too many ports, and the HyperDrive USB-C hub ensures I'm always prepared for any situation. Last but not least, let's talk about my headphones. While I don't typically carry both at the same time, the two I switch between are the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and the Beats Studio Pro in the stunning deep brown color. Both headphones are fantastic in their own right, and what I love most about them is their active noise cancellation, which is an essential feature for staying focused in noisy environments. In addition to noise cancellation, both offer excellent battery life, meaning I don't have to worry about frequent charging, and the sound quality is nothing short of impressive. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, but both serve my personal needs exceptionally well. If I had to pick one though, for everyday travel, I'd go with my AirPods 4 thanks to their lightweight and compact design, which makes them incredibly convenient for quick trips and casual use. However, when I know I'll be in a loud environment and need to fully immerse myself, the Beats Studio Pros are my go-to choice, as they offer superior noise cancellation and a more immersive audio experience. Which of these two headphones would you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. So that is pretty much my tech backpack setup in 2025. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. As always, Tech World, it's been a pleasure, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.